What is this robot vacuum called?
bObsweep.
bObsweep. What does bObsweep? What is so special about bObsweep?
That's so much smaller than, you see the size of how this one's smaller than this one. This one that was in the last video.
Yeah.
And mostly this one
It's way bigger, right? Alright, so bObsweep is actually a sweeping vacuum.
Let's let you know it's not a cheap one. It's actually a good vacuum. It's not a sweeping robot like a small one like
Pure Clean. This is Pure Clean, which is also a sweeping robot.
And this one doesn't have a roller, and this one does have a giant roller.
This one's cheap and this one is not.
This we actually got.
So what is all these things?
So this right here is a different kind of side brush. Let me actually go get the other side brush real quick. Okay, so see the difference between this side brush and this one with more little freckles than this one?
Oh yeah.
I kind of like this one, but you know this is actually the wrong side brush, but it's not for the robot. But this is mostly the right side brush.
Yes.
This one's the wrong one.
But it's fun to change it up sometimes, right?
It still works.
And this is the really long brush,
That's a long brush.
which we can't take it out because it needs to be taken out with a screwdriver.
Look,
We're
that's-
not going to do that right now.
Got a bob.
And what about the dustbin? How
Let me
does that work?
Let me just show you. Look at that big difference between the missiles and the bombs.
Huge difference.
Oh,
bObsweep has lots of hair in there.
should I even show that?
Sure, it's up to you.
That's all my dog's dirt.
All his dog's dirt.
It's actually quite impressive, actually. Between this one, let me show you this dirt. Nothing.
Nope.
But this.
Yep. But
That's how
bObsweep, on the other hand,
Jeez.
look how much he got. That is very impressive.
Very, very impressive. Kind of confused.
All right, so that's the dustbin.
Upside down.
Good job. What about the sensors? Does bObsweep have any sensors?
Yes, of course it does.
Of course he does.
Right.
All robots have sensors.
This one has 4 and that one is only 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these are the wheels you absolutely cannot spin. You cannot spin the side brush like this guy. You cannot spin the wheels or the side brush.
That's right, because they're both sweeping robots, right?
Yes.
So they spin around once the robot is turned on.
Well, this one is not a sweeping robot for real. It's a functional robot.
Yeah.
If they're actually a sweeping one, they would just have side brushes and a little something.
Okay. What about the bumper? Flip
Same
it back
thing.
around.
Same thing. I'm still showing them this. So, you know. And there we
That's
go.
the brush, right?
Yeah, but we use we can actually
Yeah.
another wheel. UV light.
And that is the UV light. We forgot all about that. This is the only robot vacuum that we own that has a UV light. And what does the UV light do, Cullen?
Kills bacteria.
That's right. So smart.
And then let's look at the front. Actually, right when we look this over, if you have one of these, this is gonna be the noise that when it powers on, you turn on the switch, and when you power it on, by the start button.
Okay.
It's just gonna make it beep, and then it's gonna blink.
Whoa.
And then when it makes the number 1, that means you can hit clean start.
Those lights are so cool.
Yeah, that has a nice screen, so that's like the battery. I would say it has about 60% battery life. That's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
It says ready. And you can hit dock. So we got start,
charge,
mode.
Let me see. Program.
Then you got UV. You turn off the UV, and that's when it mostly makes a noise.
Now it's back on. Now it's off.
He's talking to us.
Yeah. And then this one right here is the wall. This is spot. And this is auto. And auto means basically just regular clean all over the house.
And this, they gave us this.
Why? Yeah, go ahead, you do it, baby.
Why vacuum when Bob sweeps?
That's right.
And then this one that mostly says it's Bob's your mostly friend.
Yes, Bob is your pet's best friend, right?
Yes. And we should get this out of the way.
Yeah, because that's a spare brush.
So
that's pretty much the bObsweep.
So program does this. You can get to clean 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute.
Yep.
And then you can mostly hit start if you want to. Not. You got dock, so it does this. Charge.
We're not going to charge it right now.
I was just showing.
And then mode changes it on here. Right? All
and then we got mode.
Next, what changes up there?
Spot UV. Let's actually see the spot. What spot does? You might have to stand up because I don't see what the spot does. It starts to make a circle, okay? Okay, does that? Oh.
All right.
And then the mode. So spot UV. That's it.
That says wall follow.
Wall follow?
I think it just does the wall. I'm not really sure.
Let's see.
We've never tried that one.
No. Follow the wall up. See, it's just going to the edge.
Yeah, so it does like an edge clean. Pretty cool.
And then you got mostly auto. I think I might try out these two. I never tried them out. My Bob. And as you see, since I'm a robot master, actually, I have this that actually fixed it. I took out that roller. So it was giving me ears about that roller.
Oh yes, it was giving you lots of errors, and the roller was broken, and Cohen, Robot Master, fixed it.
Yes, of course I just took out
So he
the roller.
fixed his iHome robot vacuum.
You know, we should be talking about the bObsweep right now.
We are. Well, we're actually done talking about bObsweep, and we're going to end this video now and do the next one, okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my Robot Master. I hope that you guys learned a lot. Until next time, bye, guys.